Every year, humanity produces millions of tons of plastic waste. Bottles, containers, packaging. Most of them end up in landfills or waterways, slowly breaking down over hundreds of years. But in many factories around the world, this waste is not the end of the story, because the same plastic that once polluted rivers and oceans can be transformed into a durable, eco-friendly material known as wood plastic composite, or WPC. Today, we'll follow the real factory process, step by step, using actual footage from recycling plants. The journey begins with a collection of plastic waste. Recycling centers sort different types of plastics, usually HDPE, PP, or sometimes PET, depending on the final product. This step is crucial. Only clean and compatible plastic types can be used in composite manufacturing. Workers in automated machines separate bottles, caps, containers, and remove contaminants like labels, dirt, and metal. The clean plastic is fed into heavy-duty shredders. Inside, rotating blades cut the plastic into small flakes, uniform, lightweight pieces that melt easily. This form is perfect for the next stages, where the flakes are transformed into a usable raw material. This stage is rudimentary but brings high efficiency for the later complex stages. After cutting the plastic into small pieces, it is dried because water and molten plastic cannot exist at the same time. After drying and the water is gone, the plastic is packed into large bags to continue with the next stage. The shredded plastic goes into an extruder, where it is heated to temperatures between 160 and 220 degrees Celsius, depending on the plastic type. It melts into a thick uniform flow, which is pushed through a die and cut into small pellets. These recycled pellets are the foundation of many new products, including wood plastic composite. To create WPC, recycled plastic pellets are combined with wood powder. The wood powder usually comes from sawdust, furniture factories, or leftover woodworking material. A typical WPC formula includes 50 to 70% wood powder, 30 to 40% recycled plastic, plus additives for strength and UV resistance. Industrial mixers blend everything together until it becomes a consistent composite material. The WPC mixture enters a second, larger extruder. Here, heat and pressure fuse the wood fibers with the molten plastic. The hot composite is forced through a mold, shaping it into decking boards, fence panels, or decorative profiles. Immediately, the boards pass through cooling tanks, then are cut to length and polished. What started as waste plastic just hours ago now looks and feels like real wood. Wood plastic composite is now widely used in outdoor flooring, garden furniture, fencing, wall cladding, and architectural decoration. It doesn't rot, doesn't attract termites, and withstands rain and sunlight far better than natural wood. Because it contains recycled plastic, it also helps reduce the demand for natural timber. Every 10 kilograms of Ecoplast wood helps recycle nearly 6 kilograms of plastic waste. That is plastic that would otherwise end up in landfills, rivers, or the ocean. Because Ecoplast lasts up to 25 to 30 years, the environmental impact is far more positive than single-use plastic. Many manufacturers say that Ecoplast reduces maintenance costs by 50% compared to wood. Some eco-parks have already switched to Ecoplast benches because they withstand sunlight and rain without cracking. In several coastal areas, Ecoplast decking is used to replace wooden walkways that were often damaged by humidity. After switching to Ecoplast, maintenance time was reduced, and the walkways remained in perfect condition for years. Researchers are now developing fade-resistant colors, higher heat tolerance, and lighter composite formulas. In the near future, Ecoplast could replace many traditional construction materials. This entire process shows us something important. Waste is only waste when we choose not to transform it. From discarded plastic bottles to durable composite boards, recycling technology is proving that sustainable materials are not the future. They are already here. Every piece of WPC is a reminder that eco-friendly choices start with awareness and grow through innovation. Ecoplast wood plastic is more than just a product. It's proof that waste can become a resource. Every step forward in recycling and reuse not only reduces pollution, but also opens the door to a greener future. And each of us can have a say in the process by choosing eco-friendly products, supporting recycling, and spreading awareness about protecting the planet. The valuable thing about Ecoplast wood plastic is not only its long lifespan, but also its product life cycle after it has reached the end of its useful life. When an Ecoplast board is old, scratched, or damaged by strong impact, it can still be crushed, melted, and recycled again to create a new product. This helps this material carry the spirit of a closed cycle, circular economy. Instead of becoming waste, Ecoplast continues to be regenerated many times, minimizing the amount of new plastic that needs to be produced. It can be seen that limiting environmental pollution can not only come from one or a few individuals, but it comes from our cooperation. Each recycled product we hold in our hands or use every day is proof of our solidarity. Through that, we see the respect in each product as well as the value it brings to us. Looking back at the journey from discarded plastic waste to a finished Ecoplast board, we can clearly see how technology and human awareness can transform things that once seemed worthless into materials that are useful and meaningful in our daily lives. And who knows, right now, the plastic bottles you place into a recycling bin today may soon become part of a park bench, a seaside walkway, or even a sustainable building in the future. This journey is still continuing, and you are already a part of it.